All right, y'all, so now this is what we have come to. As you see here, sometimes you want to throw on some old classic kicks. This is from the Definitive Moments package. Air Jordans, as you see here. Let me see, let me give you a better picture. This is like crazy. It's embarrassing. See what I'm talking about? Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Crumbled apart. Crumbled apart. You talking about embarrassing? Crumbled apart, y'all. This is real bad. This is bad, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. They crumbled apart. Rest in peace, y'all. Rest in peace. These joints crumbled apart. Nike, I need to do something about this. Like, this is ridiculous. It's crumbling apart. It's crazy. What do you think? Comments,